Getting cold feet. Understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to dive into a popular English idiom, cold feet. Ever heard of it? If not, or even if you have, stick around as we unravel its meaning and how to use it in conversations. The phrase, cold feet, doesn't literally refer to one's feet being cold. In the English language, having cold feet means to feel nervous or anxious about a decision you need to make or an action you are about to take, especially a significant one like getting married or starting a new job. Imagine this. It's like standing on the edge of a cold swimming pool, hesitating to dive in. That feeling of hesitation? That's what cold feet refers to. The phrase's exact origin is unclear, but some believe it comes from the military. Soldiers with cold feet might have been unable or unwilling to move, making it an apt metaphor for hesitation or second-guessing. Over time, the phrase became more widespread and began to be used in various contexts, not just in the military. To better understand, let's go through a few examples. 1. I think Jake is getting cold feet about the wedding next week. He seems so nervous. 2. She had been excited about skydiving, but she got cold feet at the last minute and didn't jump. 3. Starting a new business can be intimidating. It's natural to get cold feet before taking such a big step. Remember, the key to understanding idioms is to look at their meaning in the context of the sentence, not just the words themselves. And there we have it. Now, whenever you hear someone talking about having cold feet, you'll know they aren't just feeling chilly. We hope this video has helped clear up the meaning of this idiom for you. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.